Dramatic music plays as a drone swoops toward the camera, carrying a plate of bruschetta. This drone isn't delivering packages, it's delivering breakfast. And it's about to ruin your toaster forever. Picture this. You're groggy, rushing, and hungry. Instead of scrambling eggs, a drone hovers to your window. A robotic arm slides out a plate of fresh bruschetta, tomatoes, basil, garlic, and olive oil on crispy, warm bread. No mess, no prep. Just flavor. Here's how it works. First, the drone uses GPS to target your kitchen. Then, while airborne, a built-in heating system roasts bread to perfection. Finally, it layers toppings mid-flight using 3D printed ingredient pods. Skeptical, a Tokyo startup tested this with 500 users last month. 92% said it tasted better than their own cooking. Critics call it a fad, but chefs argue its precision meets art. Imagine slicing avocado onto toast while it's still flying. The catch? You'll need a zip code and a balcony. Breakfast drones won't replace brunch dates, but they might hijack your mornings. Would you trust a drone with your avocado toast? Drop a helicopter or bread below. Follow for more sky-high food innovations.